this table, then you have to find out what is the reinforcement ratio and also what is the D. Okay, so if you look at my that's why here I give you the reinforcement ratio 0.5%. Okay, and D is 310. So we go to the code. This is AS over BV multiplied by 100, which is percent, 0.5%, right? And D is 310, let's say somewhere here, okay? So that means VC is 0.54, right? Okay, all right, this is based on table 3.5 of BS 8110. All right? 3.8. 3.5 table or 3.8, sorry. 3.8. Of BS 8110. Okay? Then we have the V, then Vs is equal to Vu minus Vc. Our shear stress is 1.18, right? And our concrete can provide 0.54. Okay? So the remaining has to be taken by the shear link. Understand? So Vs is equal to Vu minus Vc. I require this much, 118. My concrete can provide this much, 0.4. The remaining will be provided by the shear link. So here this is equal to 1.18 minus 0.54 is equal to what? 0.64 MPa. Okay? Alright. Now, this one has to be a minimum of 0.4. Okay, let's say this one, let's say for whatever reason, let's say this one comes out to be 1, let's say BC is equal to 1. Then 1 minus 1.8, minus 1 will be 0.18. You need to have a minimum of 0.4. Okay? Okay, so this one, this is greater than 0.4 MPa. Okay, therefore use Bs is equal to 0.64 MPa. Okay, all right. This is the minimum Bs minimum. Okay. Okay. Now, so. Now the question is we come to do the ASP over SP of the vertical shear. Okay? And the formula is given here. Okay. Here, this one here. Okay. Here is ASV. The SV is over here. So if I bring it over here, the left hand side will be ASV divided by SV. And then right hand side will be BV, V minus VC is VS divided by 0.95 absorbed by P. That means now this is equal to VS VV divided by 0.95 Okay, understand? So in this case, BS will be 0.64. Okay, and BV just now will be for this case is 550, right? Okay, and then FYB is 460 MPa. Then you can get this, and then you combine with the torsion. Understand? So this one I leave it for you to calculate. Alright? Okay, What's that?
Sorry sir, BV from what? BV.
B is the here. BV is just the width. But because here, the BV, that means that it's a vertical shear. B for vertical shear. Okay? That means in this case, BV is just equal to B, the width. Understand? Okay, Okay? Alright, so and then again, if you can do all this, maybe you get 18 out of 25. Okay. Part C, I'm not going to talk about it because it's normally more difficult and you have to think. Okay. All right. So. Okay, so I think I will stop here. So far I have covered pre-stress concrete, earth retaining wall, torsion. The one that I haven't covered is the shear wall. Okay, but this week we just concentrate on these three first. And the retaining wall, okay, you go ahead and do it based on the data that I give you, right? Because the only thing that I'm worried about is the units. That's why I need you to practice. Because only practice, then I can find out whether you are converting, whether you make the conversion or not. Understand? All right, Then if you are ready, then Monday we talk about the shear wall. All right. But if all these three problems, let's say you get, each one you get 15 now, then you have 45 already. So I think that will pass. Understand? Okay. So I think I'll just stop here because I don't want to overload you with so much information. Okay.
I want to ask for T10 and T12 paper. The value of area. The value we get from what?
What is that?
The value of area T10 and T12 like.
What is the area? Basically, you just use the pi r square to calculate. For example, let's say T10, right?
Yeah.
The radius is 5, right? Correct. That means it's because the rebar is just a circular area. T10, that means a diameter 10. T10 is diameter 10. T12 is diameter 12.
The area of circle.
Yes. T, that means 10, that means is the diameter. T10, that means diameter 10. T12, diameter 12. T16, diameter 60. T is because we say that there is a high tensile strength. Because we also have R10. R10 is the round bar. T10 is a high tensile bar. Okay? Okay.
So maybe you can send me
Hey, I have sent you the picture already. No, not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet, man. I thought I had. Let me do it now because the other day I download because I